Hello my home decor friends, and welcome back to Her Home Is. Now in today's video we are still setting up this bedroom for Christmas in July 2024. Now if you watched the previous video, you did see us decorating and cleaning the room, and we did start the Christmas tree for fluffing and assembling. Now if this is your first time tuning into the channel, welcome. Make sure you do stay to see all of the home decor things we do here on the channel. I am Tammy, the host of the channel, and watch a couple videos. Make sure if you like what you see, you share the channel with your family and friends. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell twice, it turns blue, then you'll know every time that we are uploading a video. Now you guys, I am just fluffing the tree so that we can continue on with our Christmas in July home decor series. Now my friends, I had a wonderful time creating this space, but I will not lie to you, your girl is still exhausted. But I'm hoping that with everything that I create in my space, I do give you some inspiration. Now you guys, in my videos for this Christmas and July season, we bought very few things, and the things that were new, we just pulled it out of our stockpile. So do keep that in mind. Always use what you got so you can create the space that you love. Now we're gonna finish fluffing out this tree. You're gonna get to see what TT thinks of the tree, but we're gonna decorate it. And on top of that, as a bonus, you guys, you are going to be getting this bedroom tour, full tour, you guys, with the tree set up and all. So make sure you do stay tuned for that. And once again, thanks so much for showing the channel so much love and support. We are on the road to that 10,000 followers. We can make it together, so I want to tell you guys in advance, thank you so much. Make sure you also catch my 2024 Christmas in July playlist. All right family, it is the next day. Now after I fluffed the tree last night, because it didn't take me long to fluff it, I put on the lights, and as I was getting ready to get in the shower, Miss TT woke up and she wanted to go ahead and just put some of her blue ornaments on the tree. The tree is not finished. We still got to add in white and silver, but we went on, I put in the picks, and she just stuck her large ornament balls just places. And I know on camera it looks royal blue, but you guys, these are a true to life turquoise, and she just has them everywhere. We're gonna light it up and let you see. So we did do that. And she also, we put our ornaments here. We're gonna remove the Santas. I was going to opt in to add a little pop of color with the gold, but we're just going to do the turquoise, the silver, and the white. She did give her approval. So we're gonna light it up. I'm going to add the ornaments. We gotta pull the stand, her other little light stand here out. I'm going to recycle that as my brother wants it. And as you saw, we did do this. So we got her space coming along. And I told you guys, I'm not moving any of her side items. We have the mirrors here. Her little stuff I'm going to leave, because I told you guys we are semi transitioning as well. So with that being said, I think we're going to go ahead and pull out the next few ornaments. And what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to add a few of the silver and white ornaments in here. We're not going to go heavy with them, but we're going to add some of those in on the tree.
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high?
Alright, here is the completed tree. And as you can see, I did extra without doing extra. And I just added in just a few of the silver and white, because we're going to keep it here in this corner and she still has to watch her TV. So, but she is loving it. She is loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm going to slide it back. But that's it, you guys. And I did have to sit her out and mow them there. But that is the finished tree number. We're going to call this tree number 1. Because we're going to put together the living room. It's up, but it ain't decorated. But this is the first decorated tree.
Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way.
Hey, you guys.
Trying to control our emotions.
Today's video is our Christmas in July guest room tour. I'll just give you an overall panorama. And like I say, in this space, you guys, there are some things that we did not change out.
But you pushing on my nerves.
Did not
Knowing your
remove out
attention, I'm under pressure.
items
Okay,
here.
I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence I
that
can
is
get.
next to her
Long as you know
bed.
I come with imperfections. When you look
Because
at me, you see the
this is
soul
a
through my
livable
flesh. You
house
something special. No, you
for
looking bomb the way you
people.
dress and gone flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage. You got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating it, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure.
Mondays,
You a gem, got me blemish, make amends when you can. I'm out here.
we do other days as well for collaboration and sometimes just special bonus uploads. Make sure you do join the channel. VIP member gets a total of 3 additional videos a month that you can not get to watch. So check out that VIP link as well. But this is what that guest room is looking like. You got TT Loves, and I do mean loves her space. We are going to add some turquoise, a couple more turquoise items in her space. Then we're going to pull those out. And I'm waiting on one thing to come that we should
Take
have
it away,
in about a
take
day.
it away, feeling
So,
too good to me.
You would get another
Chilling all day,
updated
all
look
in your space is where I wanna
this
be.
space as well.
Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too
This is
caught
the
up in
Christmas
your
in July
love.
guest room
I've
tour.
been trying to
Hope you guys
forget,
enjoyed it. Make sure
but you won't
come
let me. Something in my brain
Make sure
wants you.
also check out
I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
her
Yeah,
and
you always make me feel like, oh yeah,
Channel Solar Sky.
you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind.
Where it goes.
I just can't stop thinking about you.
That's it. Space. We'll see you guys in another video. Make sure you come back tomorrow to see what it is we have in store for you.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.